Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Line Instant Cash app not working. So let's get started. So here I will just search for the Cash app in Line Instant. Here we can see it. So if it's not working for you, like you have to follow this simple method. Okay. So I'm taking an example of here as I will just press and hold it here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info section. Then here you have to scroll down at the storage section. At here to clear data, just delete it. Then you have to open the app again. So if it's not open, if it shows the error, then you have to open your Google Play Store. At here you have to search for the app. Okay. So here I will likely search for the here as Line Instant Cash app. I can see it. So from here you can install the latest version of the app and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.